So how to access the ThermoGuard controller of this unit, all the Thermo King ThermoGuard access, how to configuration it. Switch on the unit and then turn off the cycle sentry, set to no, and then find 45, long press the Thermo King logo, and then repeat again, find the 45, and then long press the logo, and it will comes out. This is the configuration. You can find it in your controller box. You can set whatever you want. You can turn it into degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, and this is the oil pressure switch monitoring, and also this one, the high speed for RPM. Yeah, the defrost interval, and then you can lock the temperature. What temperature do you want to, like this one, you can turn it into -5, and also, and then this is the deep frozen -29, and you can I will lock this one into a -7 because this one is for chilled only. Okay, now it's locked. You can't change the settings into positive because I already lock it into -5, and also you can't set this one into deep frozen because I already set into -7. Okay, now we turn it off and then on again, and then change the cycle sentry into yes because this one must have automatic. Okay, now we will see if this one is working, if this one is already set into lock mode. Okay, now it's already -7. You can't lock this one, and also the higher into -5 only. Okay, that's all.